Welcome to Relax Gardens, your destination for peace, beauty, and outdoor inspiration. In this video, we bring you a soothing blend of garden ideas for any space. Whether the cozy balcony, a lush backyard, or a peaceful stone path, these designs are more than just beautiful. They're made to calm your mind and lift your mood. So sit back, relax, and let your imagination walk through these tranquil garden spaces. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment with your favorite idea. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee beside a bubbling fountain, or reading a book surrounded by blooming flowers and soft lighting. From elegant patio seating to stone art accents, these garden designs are curated to bring peace and beauty into your life. Notice how small details, like curved pathways, layered greenery, or subtle lighting, make each space feel magical. No matter the size of your space, you can create a garden that helps you unwind, and reconnect with nature. These designs show that with a little creativity, every corner, whether large or small, can become a peaceful escape. We hope this video leaves you inspired to create your own relaxing garden haven. Until next time, stay grounded, stay inspired, and keep growing with Relaxed Gardens.